to the MRG channel, guys. Today we are going to play Garten of Banban. So, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't played this game for a while. Like, what has it been? 1 year? So, I don't remember much from this game, but we will learn by playing it. And first of all, I have warnings for viewers. Uh, First of all, if you do not like horror games or you get scared of them easily, um, I don't recommend you for watching this video. But I don't think it's that scary. But if you guys are get scared of like horror games, I don't recommend you guys watching this. And if you guys have seizures of some sort, I have the same thing for you again. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Okay. Ah, so this game released 8 games already. Okay. Yeah. It says disclaimer, this game contains frightening imagery, flashing lights, and loud noises. As I said to you guys. Okay. Well, this looks cool. Let's turn on this a little bit. Well, the music is kind of scary. Let me apply this. Let's stop. Okay. Oh, what's this? An office? For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Click the clock to advance time. Okay. Oh, there are children's sounds. Oh, when Hammer appeared there. Who is this guy? Is that blood? Well, I hope it's not. Okay, this is dark. So I think we advanced the time until it okay. We were waiting for the time that we arrived. Okay, Banban's kindergarten, cafeteria. Well, we have a lot of things here, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, I think this is the family right here. Josh says eat vegetables and fruits to become strong, like me. Well, he is kind of strong, I'm not gonna lie. Well, I like green. This guy's like my character, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, let me turn off this phone. Okay. Okay, so this is the family. We got Jumbo Josh. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. And I don't know. I will call them by their what was it? Colors. Green, white, red, pink, purple, and orange. Okay. Boots. So. Oh, I guess we need a key card for that. What we have that in that room? Oh, we got boxes. Okay. So I think this is a kindergarten because it says Banban's kindergarten and cafeteria. Alright, this is the cafeteria. Oh, I found a key card, by the way. Okay, let's check this place out, then I'll go there. So this is the cafeteria. Oh, that's the orange one. Stinger Flint says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Well, I'm not gonna lie. If he was here, I think he would be a good guy. Not a bad guy, I hope. Oh, we can sprint. I learned that. Okay, let's open it. Oh, we got a little drone here. Okay, I got this. Oh, the remote requires 2 batteries. Okay. Oh, we got a little note here. Okay, I'm going to sound like this kid who wrote this paper. Okay. Here, mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Oh, so that's the kid, the stick man. The monster is the pink one, I think, the dog. And Claire. Well, that's a good story. I hope the kid didn't die and didn't get eaten by the dog. How do I escape? Oh, okay. So it said the remote requires 2 batteries, so I have to find 2 batteries in this kindergarten. I hope the kid who wrote it or Claire didn't eat the batteries. Ha 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 ha. I hope that was funny. Oh, we got one. What's the battery door cell? Let me check it out. Just for curiosity. Well, I can't read it. If you guys can, let me know in the comments below. Okay, we found the batteries. Oh, here's a drone. Yeah. Well, it looks cool. Do I got hands? Okay, left mouse button to use. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so if you press the right button, it will teleport the toy to a nearest room. Controls can be accessed at any time in the pause menu. You mean this? Okay, control. Alright, let's open this button. Come on, Rome, you can do it. Yep. Well, this is easy. Oh, that button. Of course. How could I miss that? Let it be. Oh, wait a sec. Come on, you can do it. Did it press? Come on, it's just near you. And bada bing. Here we go. Pink. I'm sorry I have to call you that. I don't know your name. We are friends, right? Dude, this is a dark room. Okay, the horror starts here, I think. The end is here. Okay. Let's just not get too negative. Okay. That's the pink bird. Okay, let's read all of this. I want to know the... Oh, telephone right there. I want to know the character's name. Bambalina says, kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Captain Fiddle says, oh, we saw it in the loading screen. There was like this camera, we were watching it. Like the time is, I don't know. I don't remember what it said. Captain Fiddle says, ooga booga booga ooga. Well, this guy's really a poetry writer. Okay. Banban says, oh, Garten of Banban, so this should be the main character. Banban says, sharing is caring, your pancreas is mine? Why do you want my pancreas? The toy cannot be directly... Oh, okay. I can read it. Okay, why do you want my pancreas? Well, he got his tongue out. Okay. The end is here. Well, I hope these monsters can write. Okay, naughty corner. Can we break this? Oh, I can. Okay, let's check this place out. It's cool. Let's go. Okay, this is a kindergarten and this looks very realistic. If I was a 6-year-old or a 4-year-old, I would have believed this was a forest. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm not gonna get very near that. Rival. Okay, he did nothing. Opila bird mission. So this bird is Opila bird. Okay. Opila bird mission. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Well, I guess why. Feed it 6 eggs to get your prize. Okay, let's get the prize. What's the prize? I don't know. Whatever. Can we slide down? Nope. Okay, so we have to find 6 eggs. Oh, first one's in. That's a weird sound effect. So this game is kind of trendy on the internet, so I'm playing it because of that. Okay, 2. We got 2. We need 6 one. 3. Oh, you're hiding there, ain't you? Can I get it? Aw, how can I get it? Okay, let's feed it. 2, 3. Ball pit closed. How can I open this? A destructive tool is needed to remove the plants. Well, I guess we need a hammer. Why can't we break this? We need a yellow key card. Can we open these wardrobes? Nope. Ooh, these physics in this game is cool. Okay. Where's the other egg? Is it here? No. How do we make this slide down? I need that. Oh, come on. Maybe these buttons do something. Hopefully. Will it work though? Nope. Like, is there any eggs in here? I need to find because of this stupid little Opila bird thing. Can I climb this? Oh! How could I miss that? I'm such an idiot. Maybe we got one tree. No. Well, I guess I just saw that. Okay, we're going in. Okay, maybe we can use it now. Dude, how could I never saw that? It's like an LED. Oh! But, is there like a mechanism that makes the egg fall down, or does it just give air and, you know? Like, we could have just crawled out there and, like, do it. Like, get the egg. Okay. Let's search. Oh. Dude, they just hit these very carefully. No, I guess that's all. Ew, I'm not gonna take that. Oh, it's a red. Oh, it's a yellow key card. I guess I'll take that. Claim your reward at the mountain. What a weird mini game or a puzzle. Ugh, it was disgusting. Okay. Hey, bro, come here. Now, can we break this glass? Oh, come on, bro. You can do it. Come here first. Now, all you need to do is to break or to come there. Okay? Well, I guess that works. Just press it. Yep. Oh, and hammer! And an O. Let's see what's this. Distraction at 1. What does that mean? I mean, there's a lot of paper in there. And it just said distraction of one. Are you serious? Okay, whatever. Let's just break these planks because we got the hammer. And done. Press space to jump. Yeah, I know. Wait a sec. What? What is this? Oh no, can we just put these planks again? That thing is freaking moving. Oh crap. Oh, yeah. Okay. What was my color? Oh, this is easy. We just got a lot of puzzles in this game, I guess. Opila says laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Okay, Opila is a lot of cute than I thought it would be in the drawings. It was red, I guess. Okay. She was white. Okay. Jumbo Josh, he was my best character. Like I guess I love that character. I haven't even seen. This drawing is just the best. Or its color. I think it's likely because of its drawing or his character design. I don't know. I don't like Opila, and I hate you. I freaking hate you. She was pink and this was blue, I guess. And he was orange, or she. I don't know. I don't know the gender of these characters. You were not green. You were orange. Okay, whatever. We got the orange key card. Oh my gosh. What? No, 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 no. I'm sorry. I don't hate you. You're my best character. 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 I don't hate you. I don't hate you. I don't hate you. No, 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 no. No. You can't get there. You can't get. You can get there. You can get there. You can freaking get there. I'm just gonna run. What's this? I'm going. No, no, no. It's gonna climb. It's gonna climb. I forgot it. She can climb. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. What key card did I get? Oh, I don't have inventory. Can I just plank? No, I can. Okay. Okay. Oh, another lore we got here. What's this boarding pass? Utman Adam from Montreal, NTL. Destination Madrid. Well, it's a good country, I guess. I've never been there. Class E seat D2. Oh, this is the boarding pass for it. 23 of 10. 2026. I don't know, it was 10 years ago. Boarding time 3.23. Gate B13. Oh, it's a QR code. Let me read it. Wait a sec. Another lore we got here, guys. Iferic Brothers. Congratulations! You made it to Jumbo Josh Lounge. This is where Jumbo Josh and his siblings come to rest. Uninvited guests are typically turned to mush, but you seem to have put a lot of effort into reaching this place. Hereby, you might stay as long as you like. Put on some relaxing music, have some cake, and make some friends. This is so... Well, I like Jumbo Josh, I guess. It's a... Okay, so it led me to a website where, like, there were pink Jumbo Josh yellow Jumbo Josh, and I don't know, a lot of color Jumbo Joshes. And there was a text that I just said in this video. It's just another funny Easter egg website, I guess. Do we have anything behind these boxes? Nope. Can we turn this TV on and watch my video? Nope. Okay. How do you put a freaking keycard scanner under your desk? Well, I guess it's a good idea. Oh, it opened that button. Okay, let's see what this will do. Open the TV. It will be funny, I guess. Okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Oh. Okay. How many keycards do I have to see? I thought it was going to open a television, but what is this? No, not the Opila bird again. Protect me, okay? Oh, I can't. Oh. But how do you do like this? Like, you have to have a very big budget for this. It's kind of weird. We're going then. Okay, I'll just go with my drone then. I'm going to keep it going forever. No, don't leave me. Get here. I can't click. I can't push any direction. Oh no. Guys, I think the algorithm stopped. It can't be. Well, that was welcome, was it? Why? He had a blood in his hand. Thanks for playing. Get the sequel here. Oh, well, I have the sequel. Is this the end? Oh, well. It was a fun video, guys. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And Garten of Banban, the game that I just played showing you guys, has a VR version. Do you think I should play that game? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you guys later. MRG out.